Okay, this is chapter 5 closure number 1, letters C and D. So if we look at C, we're trying to figure out if this is arithmetic, geometric, or neither. So if I look at 7 and 14 and 28, and what I notice is that if I multiply 7 times 2, I'm going to get 14. And 14 times 2 gives me 28. And 28 times 2 gives me 56. This is a geometric sequence because we're multiplying. Geometric is exponential. So when we write our equation, we need to have an exponent in it. Okay, so first we need to find the term before the 7. So the 0 term. Okay, so if we're multiplying by 2 when we go to the right, we are going to divide by 2 when we go to the left, and that gives us 3.5. Now you could either write 3.5 or you could write it as a fraction, 7 over 2, which is what I typically tend to do. 7 over 2 is our starting number, and we multiply by 2, and we do that over and over and over again. So repeated multiplication means we have an exponent. So there's our equation. And for letter D, a lot of people, when they first look at this, they think, oh, 2 times 2 is 4, and initially begin by thinking 0 times 2 is going to give us 2, but that is not the case, because 0 times 2 gives us 0. So we are not multiplying, which means we are probably adding, and we're adding 2, which means this is arithmetic. And it's going to be a linear equation, so no exponent. I'm going to go backwards to find my 0 term, which is going to be -2, because I'm subtracting 2 when I go to the left. I'm adding 2 when I go to the right. So I'm adding 2, and I'm adding over and over and over again. So I do not have an exponent. I just have a regular n. Okay, and that's it for number 1.